on, boys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys tuning in. It's good to see you guys. It's been a few days since I've been able to record anything. I went to Formula One with some of my family. Try and put some clips in there.
5. I'm gonna like the way we go. A good start from the front row. Away goes. Valtteri Bottas up the hill on 133 feet of it, and a brilliant start by Valtteri.
Today I have kind of an interesting question. We're gonna get back to kind of the car talk session or thing that I used to do. So let me get you in here. Let me get you in the car set up. We got to go for a drive, and I have a question for y'all.
Oh yeah! This car is just awesome. You know what's not awesome about this car? And I'm going to do some like 5 things, the typical 5 things I hate about this car. Dude, I don't know if they only had Red Bull back in 1995, but you can't fit this size water bottle anywhere in this thing. You can kind of fit it. No, they're like this big. There's no place for normal sized drinks in this car. Make sure I don't leak anywhere. First world problems, I guess. Hey, whoa, what are you doing, housewife? Katie, she literally put her name on the back of her car in emblems. I don't know if I agree with that call, Katie. Do you guys ever notice if you drive an E46, I don't know if the E36 trans was like this, but man, before this thing gets some heat in it, it is a stiff transmission. It just, maybe put some different fluid in it or something, but it likes to get warmed up before you really roll through the gears. Howdy, boss. Alright, boys, so kind of a random topic today, but first off, I'm shooting on the GoPro. My big camera that I have it's just old and beat up and not that great, and I really don't feel like dropping like $1,200, $1,500 on a new camera. Even though we are close to 1,000 subs, that doesn't mean the YouTube money's gonna come raining down on me. So I'm gonna try shooting with this for a while. I mean, Street Speed 717 is shot on a GoPro until like ever. That's all he's used, from my knowledge. I don't know if I need an external mic, so I'm trying to talk a little louder because it is loud in this car anyway. It's not really loud when you're sitting in it, but I know the GoPro picks up a lot of random noise and stuff, so I'll try and speak up a little bit. But let me know what you think about this. It has a good frame, or the good frame per second that I'm looking for. I mean, it's good quality. It's a great camera, so let me know what you think about this. But more importantly, one of the things I've really been contemplating is changing the name of the channel to just my name, just like Jordan Petrovich or some variation of my name. Reason being, when I created Exotic Whips TV, I lived in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and I had direct access to a lot more supercars, and my thought was to bring a lot more supercar content to the channel. Not necessarily my supercars, but you know, friends with supercars or really nice cars, car guys in general, whatever. So it was going to focus a lot more on that, but now my channel is a lot more about building this E36, and it's going to be building more project cars as is. So like, I don't know if I want to build another E36 in the future, maybe with a different swap, maybe with a different purpose, maybe not being like an OEM plus build. I really want to build a classic 911, old school 911. I think that'd be awesome. I really love JDM cars. I've built a ton of EK hatches back in the day. I've had 3 S2000s. I love those cars. I would love to do like an S2000 Type R type of build. I love NSXs. I would love to get another one of those. Or I'd love to get one of those. I've never had one. But I think you get where I'm going. Exotic Whips TV doesn't really fit the theme of this channel, and if I changed it to more of just my name, more of a vague thing, I can incorporate a lot of other things into the channel. Like one of the things I see a lot of guys do, and I think you guys would probably be interested in, is business stuff. You know, what I do for work, how I make money, things like that. So I also do a lot of other things besides car stuff. I do a lot of outdoor stuff, fishing stuff, gun stuff, all that stuff. So I would be able to wrap all that up into the channel as well. I feel like Exotic Whips TV really kind of handcuffs me to just doing car things on this channel. And more so, I feel like the name doesn't really fit the car things that I'm doing on this channel. So I want to hear your guys' take on that. Is that something that matters to you? Do you even care? Do you even notice the name of the channel, or do you just like the content? Doesn't matter what the channel name is. I mean, a lot of these channels, I wonder if they regret what they named them now that they have, 500 and 700,000 subs. I'm so small, it doesn't even matter. I could change it to anything right now, and I don't think it would matter. So I want to get your guys' take on that, because if I do that, I would change my social media and all my usernames and stuff like that. So what do you guys think? Should I go for more generic, just my name, so I can wrap a lot more like daily stuff into it, work stuff, life stuff, outdoor stuff, just everything all together? Or do you think just leave it as is? It's not really that big a deal to change it. I don't know if my exact name is open for either YouTube or Instagram. But either way, it's not too big a deal. Like I said, I'm not so deep into the channel. I don't have so many subs that it would make a huge difference right now anyway. Ooh, feel that corner balance. This car. All right, stop leaking on my seat. So that's kind of where I'm at with this. Exotic Whips TV, when I first came up with it, again, was more of it was a content play for websites. I was doing different business things with that, and I had a different mindset for the channel when I created it. But now, as I've done it for a longer period of time, it's hard to come up with just car content, especially when I don't do just car stuff and I don't have enough. I'm not making any money on this, so I don't have a reason to, or I don't have a way to make car stuff my life only. So I could produce a lot more content if the channel allowed for like a wider scope of things. So that's kind of what I'm battling now, and I'd love to get your guys' take on it, what you think. Again, if I start posting like vlog stuff or daily stuff or business stuff or like fishing or guns or outdoor stuff that has nothing to do with Exotic Whips or cars in general, do you think that would throw you guys off or throw other people off? I know if I saw a channel that was like awesomesupercars.com and the guys out there bass fishing, I'd be like, oh, this is kind of different. I don't know what's going on. My main question to you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Again, we're almost to 1,000 subs, so thank you. I don't put out street racing videos. I don't do burnouts or donuts or anything like that. So I know the guys that are watching this are really interested in E36 and car content. And as I get more time and I can do more stuff in this car, we may have a bit more fun with it. We're already going to the track. I have that stuff being worked on right now, so that'll be fun. Anyway, guys, if you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next video. Peace.